Hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing scalping strategy once again in this channel. Yeah, I've been creating back-to-back videos on price action and all that, but I think right now you guys need to enjoy this one. You guys need to scalp, because not everybody will have time to check the chart, analyze the chart, draw support and resistance, trend line and all those things. So it is time again for me to give you another amazing video scalping strategy in this channel. So what I did is to modify this scalping strategy so that you just add a little bit of price action to this strategy. And you know how we do it here. So I'm actually on about 4 positions on this trade, right? So what I'm doing is that I use the lowest lot size and I enter like multiple positions, right? And I'm going to be taking only 5 to 10 candlesticks. Okay, I'm taking only 5 to 10 candlesticks. So in this particular one, I'm going to take 5 candlesticks and go. And the reason why I'm taking 5 candlesticks is simple. So this strategy is simple. You have to go to a higher time frame, okay, to mark support, resistance, trend line. Okay, that's why I said you are adding a little bit of price action to this, right? A little bit of price action for you to get the best results, for you to get the best result. So why I enter this trade is because I'm using something called order block, right? I'm using something called order block. So the price is currently at my order block, and I simply go down to 1 minute time frame and wait for a cross, because order block is just like a resistance zone, okay, where the price will tap and reverse, right? So now if you look here, the price actually crosses the red line, crosses the 3 blue lines, and I enter my trade. So the reason why I enter the trade is not just because of the crossing, but because I've seen that the price that order block first on a higher time frame. So when I discover that, which is serving as resistance there, I simply go to 1 minute time frame where I have my indicator and I push in the trade. I enter a sell, multiple positions, right? It's a scalping strategy. You are not expected to stay on the trade for maybe 20-30 minutes. You are just expected to stay between 5 to 10 minutes and you are out, right? You are picking 5 to 10 candlesticks and you are out. Okay, you can enter using support and resistance, or anything, maybe trend line, okay, but I use order block here. Okay, so simply put in this, let me share the setup with you quickly. Okay, let me share the setup with you. If you look here, if I go to a higher time frame, you will not be seeing this my indicator, right? You're not going to be seeing the indicator if I go to higher time frame. So I will share with you how to set it up. I think it's now a new development on MetaTrader 5, okay, which you can actually use. It's very interesting to turn off all these indicators on a higher time frame for you to check something you might not be struggling to see between the indicator and the price, right? Basically, if you go to your F icon, okay, if you go to your F icon, so but before I go into giving you this setup, okay, if I go into giving you this setup, I want you to understand something, okay? Whenever you are scalping, you need to understand a little bit of price action, right? And that's why if you go to my previous videos, I have dropped videos on how to draw support and resistance, how to use trend line. This year I started with that kind of series for you to understand a bit of price action, to know the exact point you are entering your trade. So remember, I said I did not just enter because I discovered a cross here. No, I entered because this is my order block level, okay? This is my order block level, and also this is a downtrend, right? So if you check the trend that the trend is down, you can easily scalp on boom and crash, right? If the trend is up, you avoid scalping on boom and crash. That's all. But just add in your indicator and you are good to go, guys. The indicator is just like a signal, your entry point, where you can actually enter and pick that 5 to 10 candlesticks and go. Okay, so I also I'm organizing a 1 month mentorship program this February. So if you want to join the mentorship program, it's simple. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video, not in the comment section. Please avoid being scammed. in the description of this video is where you are going to see my WhatsApp number. You chat me up and you join the mentorship program, right? So it's going to be a 1 month mentorship program. You guys already know that I've stopped weekly mentorship program and even monthly. I'm just doing this for people who couldn't afford my 6 months mentorship program or my 1 year mentorship program. So this is another opportunity for you guys if you want to, or if you wish to understand this trading, if you wish to see my setup, if you wish to enjoy my setup, you just have to join the mentorship program. It's going to be 1 month mentorship program. This month, February, is starting February 8th. Okay, so you just have like 6 days to join this mentorship program if you wish to. So simply for the setup, you go to the F icon. Okay, click on the F icon right there. Then the first indicator you're going to add is moving average. Okay, moving average. Okay, so the moving average is period 10. Okay, you see shift 0, linear weight, that is for method, linear weight, apply to weighted close. Okay, then look at the stuff I'm talking about. So if you look here, you can see time frames. So whenever you add your indicator, maybe if you add any indicator that you want to use on 15 minutes time frame, before now the indicator will be there, even though when you change your time frame to 1 hour, you will be seeing the indicator. If you change it to daily, you'll be seeing the indicator. It makes your chart look dirty, right? For instance, if you have a lot of indicators that you are using on 1 minute time frame, maybe you have the indicator on window 1, window 2, the main chart, everywhere is there, and you want to check the trend. If you go to a higher time frame, those indicators will be confusing. It will be a kind of making your chart look dirty, and that's why this particular tool right here will help you. So what you need to do here is, if you know, maybe like this indicator now, you are using it on only 1 minute time frame. So when you come here, you click on this pen icon. Okay, then if you click here, you can see I have selected only 1 minute. So what I mean here, or what this particular thing mean here, is that the indicator will be showing on only 1 minute time frame. If I should select all these ones, that means if I go to 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, the indicators will be showing again. So I don't need this. Instead, I just want my indicator to be showing only on 1 minute. So I will only select 1 minute, right, and click OK. Right, so once you select 1 minute and click OK, the indicators will show only on 1 minute. The same thing here, you have that option of selecting where do you want your Bollinger Band to show. So the settings, period 5, deviation 0.500, then shift 0, apply to previous indicators data, right? That's all. Change the color to any color of your choice, guys. Okay, the piece is 3, so that's all. Then the time frame section, you select only 1 minute, right? Only 1 minute. If you don't select only 1 minute, it's going to be difficult for you to check the higher time frame, like support and resistance on higher time frame, guys. So that's why you make sure that you are selecting only 1 minute. So let me share with you what I mean. If I should select all these ones, for instance, and I click OK, let me just click OK and share with you what I mean here. If I click OK, now if I go to a higher time frame, like sorry, I think I did not click OK right there. Done. Okay, I want to share with you a few things. Okay, done. So I want to see if I will be seeing the indicator right here. I think there is something I'm not actually getting right, but I don't want to make this video long. So okay, when I was adding the indicator, I added it. Let me just share this. If I now add envelopes again, okay, let me just add this and click all indicators, okay, and click OK. So if I go to my chart, any time frame I go, you are going to be seeing this, right? And that's not what I want. I just want to see this on only 1 minute time frame. So if I want to see it on only 1 minute time frame, I will simply go back to this F icon, click on this envelope, then click on all time frame and select only 1 minute and click done. So if I go back, you can only see this indicator on only 1 minute time frame, right? That's exactly what this thing is, this particular one right here means, that you can only see it on 1 minute time frame only. Click on OK, done. So if I go to a higher time frame, we are not going to see any other indicator. Okay, that is exactly what this particular thing mean here. Okay, so I think that's that for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Remember, the indicator you are using is just Bollinger Bands and moving average. Okay, so I just use the what is it called, the envelope for an example. You can see where I actually entered. I said I'm going to be taking only 5 to 10 candles, and I think I'm good to go now. All right, so guys, this is it. Simple, straight to the point. Enjoy and make your money, and I will see you guys in the next one. Remember to subscribe to this channel. If you want to open a derivative account, I will leave the link also in the description of this video. Then my channel on currency pairs, I'm leaving the link in the description for you to subscribe if you want to subscribe for the currency pair channel. Okay, I have a channel that I teach only currency pairs. For those who are interested, you can also subscribe to the channel and enjoy the contents right there. In the channel link will also be in the description of this video too. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.